Are you looking for a fast and simple app to send money, even internationally? Today we're talking about the Strike app and whether it's actually worth using or not. Strike is a digital payment app that allows you to send and receive money instantly. It also supports Bitcoin payments, which makes it a bit different from traditional payment apps. The goal of Strike is to make payments faster, cheaper, and more accessible. Talking about features, Strike lets you send money to anyone quickly with very low fees. You can also use it for online payments and, in some regions, even convert between regular currency and Bitcoin. The app focuses on speed and simplicity, so transactions are usually processed very quickly. The interface of the app is clean and beginner-friendly. Everything is easy to understand, so even if you've never used a payment or crypto app before, you can get started without confusion. Now let's quickly see how to use it. First, download the Strike app from the Play Store, then sign up using your mobile number or email and complete the verification process. After that, you can add funds and start sending or receiving money instantly. A quick disclaimer, some features of Strike, especially Bitcoin-related services, may not be available in every country. Also, crypto transactions involve risk, so always be careful and do your own research. Now the big question, is it worth it? If you want a fast and low-cost way to send money and you're interested in Bitcoin payments, then Strike can be a great option. However, if these features are not fully available in your region, its usefulness may be limited. Overall, Strike is a simple and efficient payment app that combines traditional money transfers with modern crypto features. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more app reviews. And let me know in the comments which app you want me to review next.